Hello viewers, Aslam here from Latest Flex. So that's our lecture number 7 from our course Beginner to Advanced Go High Level course. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about the calendar tab, and we are going to learn each and everything about the calendars. It's very useful whether you are a small business owner or study or a busy student and just someone you want a better way to organize their day. Go High Level calendars can help. You can schedule appointments and reminders and even manage your different teams members all in one place. So let's dive in a video and I will show you all the function of calendars in a Go High Level. So first of all, we are going to log in our sub account that we have created our test sub account. I just log in it, and in a last lecture we have discussed about launchpad dashboard conversation, but right now we are going to discuss about the calendars. I just land in a calendar, and here you see we don't have any calendars connected with our Go High Level. So first of all we need to do add our calendars. So right now I am going to add calendar here. So basically we are just landed in a calendar setting, and for calendar settings we need to integrate our calendar. It should be your Facebook calendar, it should be your Yahoo calendar, it should be your Google calendars and Apple calendars and Microsoft calendar, whatever you want to add here. First of all you need to add your calendars. So for adding calendar, what we can do, we need to go to integrations, and here we need to integrate our Google account, and right now I am going to link this one. We have connected our account with the Go High Level, so it means we have our add Google calendar here. So we have just integrated our Google calendar. So then we need to go back in a calendar section again, and I just go to the calendars, and first of all here you see we have calendar integrated right now, Google calendar, and then we need to work on our calendar settings and all the other things right now. So here we have just landed in a calendar setting, and here we have few functions here. One is calendar, then group, and then services, and then rooms, and then achievements. So it's work like a hierarchy. In a first on a top of the hierarchy we have calendars. Then if you have multiple calendars, then you can make group, then you can create group, and if you have multiple groups, then you can make a one service menu. And room is for a specific services for specific peoples. For example, you want to add 2 and 3 people on the same time, and you want to provide 2 and 3 services on the same time, then you can use for this. Equipment is basically a requirement that you can ask your audience and your customer to bring with for this appointment. For this you can say that it's a prerequisite. We can create a group, and also we can create a calendar here. So right now I'm going to create calendars first. Then we have around about 6 type of calendar here. One is a personal calendar. Schedule one-on-one meetings with the specific team member. This calendar is good for one-on-one meeting. And for this calendar round and robin calendars, so distribution appointment among the teams. So it's a for team. For example, you have 100 meetings in a queue, so once one meeting end, another is start, one meeting next is end, then third one is start. So that's best for these type of services. That's for class booking, and that's for collective booking. You have multiple team and host meet, then that will be good for this. And if you have event calendar, then you can go with this one. It should be a physical event, and it should be a virtual event. And service booking you can use for this one. For example, spa appointment, repair services, and consultation, you can go with this one. So right now I'm going to create a personal calendar for now, and then we will create calendar group and all the other things. So first of all we need to put our calendar name. We will say test 1 calendar, and then we will add team member here. I have just one team member, but you can add it later. Whatever you want to add, team member 2, 3, 4, 5, that you want to give access. And we will say test 1. It's already, I will say test 1 give. Okay, what's your meeting durations? In my case it's 30 minutes. You can change it. You are available Sunday and Saturday, then you can just check it. If you're not available, then recheck it, uncheck it. And here you can put your timings as well. I just confirm it. I just go to the next, And yeah, that's it. So our calendar is ready. I just preview it, and here you can see our calendar is ready to go. Okay, I just go back again, I just close it, and I just go to here, and I will just go to edit option, and I will show you some more features as well. If you want to add a logo of calendar of your services, you can just click on it and you can put your logo here. In my case, as I'm going to add just my image, it's in a square. I will say it's a circle. Let put it square, and it's just name, and put some description here. I will say that book free consultations. Okay, we will say book free appointments. Okay, and after that, you remember we don't have any group. If we want to add in a group, we need to select your group. But right now I don't have any group, so that's why. In a meeting invite, send with the first name of those guy once receive the meetings. So you can send them their name. For example, Aslam, you have book appointment with this title, with this name, with this name. That's the those name. And here you can put your custom color that you want to show here. I'm going to use this one. And if you want to add Google Meet, Zoom, where you want to add, I just say I want to add Google Meet, and you can change your location here as well. And in the next section, you can set your availability, and then you can set your that's a basic form: first name, last name, email, phone number, and notes. And if you want to add custom form, then you need to go to form section and you need to create a form. And it says date and time first, then form. But if you want to change it, just drag and drop it. But that's the official way. I think that's a good one. And here you can confirm all your consent. When someone click on it, consent, then you can go with the next one. And here is your redirect URL for thank you page. Or if you have specific thank you page, then you can put your URL here. But I'm going with the default one, and you can change it. If you have any Facebook pixel ID, you can just select here and put your Facebook pixel IDs here. And here you can have some appointment status and appointment cancel status. And here is emails for reschedules, for cancels, for reschedule, for reminder, for follow-ups. I don't think so you need to change something here, so you can keep it same as it. And for example, call cancellation policy, you will say reschedule link will be expire in 1 hour, 2 hour, in 3 hour. It's up to you in a 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. And here we say allow cancellation in just 1 hour. After 1 hour, they are not able to cancel their appointment. So you can keep something like this one. It's up to you how you can manage this. And then the last tab is a customization. For example, we have this color scheme, but right now I'm going to change the color scheme. I'm going to say that I'm going to use this one. For white, I'm going to use red one. And here you can put your custom code for customization as well. I just save it, and I just refresh this, and here you can see it's a completely change. And also our logo is here, our name is here, and here is our description. You can design according to your design and according to your availability and according to your customization. I just put this random. So our next thing is a group. And for example, I'm going to add this one. Let me create a quick another calendar so you will get idea. For this time I'm going to add this one. I'll say test 2. Say 30 minutes is a similar. Okay, I just make another calendar. So let me go to group, and here we can create a group. Group name is a test group, and add some description as well. It's up to you. You want to neo and classic. These are basically a different type templates. and your time is, we'll say time no more. It's just name, you can add your name, it's not unnecessary, you can put this one. Okay, but this, in this group we don't have any calendar. What we can do here, we can add some calendars here. I just go back to calendars, and here we say move to group, and we will say test group, and yes, and I will move to this group, and also I just move to this calendar in group as well. Yeah, I see. I have just added both calendars in a same group. Then I will create my service menu, and here I am going to the service menu is useful when you have multiple services and multiple, for example, you have cleaning agency and you have 10 doctors and 10 calendars, but with different services. You want to present all your services on a one place, then you can go with the service menu. I just create a service menu. I will say test menu. I just put same description here, and it's put same name, and I'm not going to use any external things here because we already selected in all things in calendar. Enable guest, enable multiple services selection, enable select staff as well. So I'm going to select these all one, and I will go to just save the next and select the services here. And in services, what we are going to do, I just okay, I think we need to add service first, then we are able to select our services. Okay, because we don't have any services right now, I just go back, and once you add services, and then you can choose services as well. So here we have service menu, and I just going to show you service menu, and here we have service menu, and in service menu we have two calendars, one group with two calendars, and this is service menu, and here it's not showing anything here. I just go back, service menu, added it, and what we are going to select here, I think we need to add here service calendar group. Service calendar, add them to the group, but right now we are not showing any group here. Maybe our group is not public. Let me go back again. I just go to group, and I will say it's a publish. Yes, I think it's active. What we can say, just refresh it, then go back again, service menu, and here just added it. It's not showing here. I don't know what's happening here. So let's create this service menu, and I will go to service menu, select all. Right now we have one group, and here we have two calendars. One is a test 1 and one is a test 2. I just save it, and then I will show you service menu here. If you have multiple service menu, then you can design and arrange according to your requirement, but right now we have one, so we don't need to change and replace anything here. I go to permanent link, and I just check it how it works, and here you can see we are showing calendar 1, and here is our calendar 2. And you for example, you have another group you can put here, and another group you can put here. I will show you one example as well how it looks when you done in a professional way. Okay, that looks awesome, and you can have multiple groups and multiple services here and book their appointment. For example, I can say that book with this one, and here you can put your 1 people, 2 people, 3 people in a service, and go to continue. Then you can select your all things that you want, time and date and whatever you want to add here. Right now we have only one staff member, and you can add doctors and all the stuff, and then you can book your appointment here. So that's it from service menu. And also we have room and equipments. I just create one room for you, just for instead of show test room, we will say that, and we will put the name here, test 1, and you want to add total capacity 2, 3, 4, 5, and I just say this calendar. It's a basically room. We can add multiple room and multiple services here that you need, and just we can create a room. Okay, and it's a similar like for equipments as well. We just put name, put quantity, and put quantity services quantity, and select your calendar, and we can make this equipment requirement as well. So in the next tab of calendars, we are going to check all our availability view options for Sunday. We have service menu, rooms and equipments, and widgets in English, and times and formats. You can use this one or you can use for this one, it's up to you. And week start from Sunday. You can change your week. For example, some of Arab countries have week start from Saturday, so you can select Saturday, and it's up to you whatever you want to select here. And here you can put your availability and all your settings as well, because it's on agency end, so you can set from agency end as well. And in connection section, you can connect your video conferencing system. For example, you can add your Google Meet, and you can add Zoom, whatever you want to add here, you can add here. So yeah, that's it from today video and calendars and all the stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're looking for any Go High Level services, just go to the Lead Flex and book free consultation here. And if you can buy Go High Level with my affiliate link, I am jump with the of cost call, and I will set up your Go High Level, and I will also do white labeling stuff as well for your agency. And also I can set up your funnels, landing page, pipelines, calendars, and each and everything for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.